Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Empowering DIY. I want to do a quick video. It's 4th of July weekend. I know a lot of people are out on their boats and stuff, and I figured it's a good opportunity to do a little bit of maintenance on the trailer because our boat is in the water. We need to change the winch on the strap on this winch for our boat. It's obviously in really bad shape and it's not safe. So I wanted to go ahead and change it real quick, and figured if someone has never done one, I'd show you how to do it. But if you come in close, you'll see a bolt that is that holds the strap into the pulley when you wind it up. So what I did was this is the bolt that holds the strap onto the winch itself. So right now I just sprayed it with some oil, and because the bolt is a little rusty, and I broke it loose. I didn't take it all the way out, but I broke it loose. So now what I'm gonna do is take the strap all the way off, and can't even get out. Did I do it wrong? Let's see. Let's not fall over. Can't walk. Okay, we got it all the way out. Now the bolt is right there. Move it to where we can get to it. Got 2 ratchets. Got that out, and that strap is gone. New one. This is just a standard duty 2,000 pound rating. If you have a bigger boat, like the striper boat that we're working on, it's a little bit heavier, so you're going to want a heavier duty strap. So make sure you buy the strap that is rated for your boat. I'd actually bought a heavier duty strap for this one, and this isn't a heavy duty winch, and so that's what ended up eating it up. It kept getting caught in the gears and stuff. So just try to pay attention to how heavy your boat is and what rating strap you get for it. Then basically you just repeat everything. You put the bolt back in. It's got a loop right there, and you just slide the bolt back through, catching the loop. And this bolt doesn't hold any weight. It's not designed to put all the weight of the boat or anything on it. It's just there to hold the strap on the pulley. So okay. Now all we do is tighten it back up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little tension on it. It'd help if I would clean all this stuff out of the gear. Alright, so if you notice, I hooked the hook here on the edge, and I'm gonna crank it down and tighten this up. Now I do suggest, if say you're doing it at the boat ramp, and because it's much easier to do this with the boat off the trailer, especially if you have like a V-hole boat. You cannot get to that winch real good. This one wouldn't be so bad because it's a pontoon boat, not, you know, pretty easy. But like I said, we don't have the boat here, so I hooked it here somewhere. I found a good anchor point pretty close, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten the strap up. You want to have it as tight as possible, because if you go to use this to pull your boat up for the first time and you don't have it tight, it'll be slipping and you'll fight with it while trying to get the boat on the trailer. So try to get it as tight as possible before you start. And as you can see, this is already hooked and it's still turning, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. Now that bolt that we put in there, that's what's holding it. So now you don't want to like crank down on it. You don't have to try to break it to get it off, but like right now it's, you know, it got hard to turn, and it's basically, in my mind, it's loaded it now. It's nice and tight. So I'll loosen it up. And make sure it's not like super tight on there, and I'll just leave it like that. Like I said, if you have to do this at the boat ramp, it's best to put your boat in the water, put it on dock out of the way, change it. It literally took me 2 minutes to change it. Pull your boat up to the edge of the trailer, have your winch out there, and if you can't, you know, get the boat up as, you know, to where you can actually pull it up relatively easy, you don't want to struggle, but then you can tighten it up and it'll put a good tension on the pulley itself. Or if you have the opportunity like we do, you can change it out while the boat's in the water somewhere else. So that's all I have for that. And then what else I'll do is while I have the lube out here, I'll lube up all my mechanisms inside here. It'll be good to go. So hopefully a quick video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, comment. Oh, and one other tip, make sure you get a winch strap long enough for your boat, because if your boat ever breaks down, you need this to go to the end of your trailer. So if you have a 25-foot trailer, you need a 25-foot winch strap. Trust me, you'll need it. If your boat won't run or anything, you've had a bad day on the lake and you can't get on the trailer, it's gonna make it even worse. So make sure you have the right winch strap for it. And that's all I got. Giveaway, 200 subscribers, we're getting close. 40 more subscribers. Y'all make sure you subscribe and like all these videos, and thanks for watching in. Have a good day.
Bye.